This is how we're going to make what you call Chiratta Chaya or coconut shell tea. We select a good half coconut shell without a hole in the middle. We pour about half a cup of water, keep it on the stove, making sure that the fire does not burn above the water level inside the coconut shell. It might take a while, but we have to wait till it boils. Now, while the water is being boiled in the coconut shell, we're boiling about a cup of milk, 1¼ cups of milk in another pot. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to the water in the coconut shell. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of tea leaves or tea dust to the water in the shell. Now we're waiting for the water with the tea leaves to boil in the coconut shell, and the milk is being boiled here. And just beside the coconut shell, I have kept a cup ready to pour the tea into, because when we pour the milk into the coconut shell, it might spill over or boil over. So we'll keep this cup or pot ready. Now you can see milk is boiling, has started boiling. And here also the tea has started boiling in the coconut shell. I'll stir it a bit. Let it boil very well. We'll just wait. Yeah, now the tea is boiling very well in the coconut shell. And the milk is also well boiled. So I'm now going to pour the milk into the tea. Now you can see the tea is boiling. The tea is boiling. The milk is boiled, and I'm going to pour it in here. And you can see the tea is boiling. Take it right off and hold it there. See, now you can see the tea boiling over. I'll now filter this tea into a coconut shell. And that is our coconut shell tea, all ready to drink. Actually, while making this, I should have boiled the water for some more time so that the entire tea would have boiled over into the cup. I think my tea wasn't hot enough, that's why only part of it boiled over. So when you try it out, boil it for a while longer and let the milk boil over. So that's coconut shell tea for you.